Our body actually keeps talking to us, but are we listening? Hi, this is Dr. Apurva Sawant, your preventive healthcare expert, and today we will see that how these there are different strange things that our body signals. So let's understand and decode them. Right from puffy eyes to some weird noises coming from our stomach. So let's understand the signals and try and fix it. So these puffy eyes are actually not lying. These are some signals which our body is giving us. These are because of maybe we are having a lot of screen time. We during screen time we munch some salty food. We are lying in a position wherein a lot of fluid is getting accumulated in our eyes. So how to fix it? First and foremost, reduce your screen time. सबसे important, if you are munching health, shift to some healthy munching options like nuts or makhanas which are not salty and homemade. And next, the most important thing is hydrate your body well. We can also use cold compressions to reduce those puffs so that the puffiness is completely gone. See, our eyes don't lie to us. This is even I need a detox. So second point is random eye twitching. So have you noticed कि कभी कभी हमारी आँख ऐसे फड़कती है, मे बी दाई आँख फड़ के हम बोलते हैं अच्छा होता है, बाई आँख फड़ के हम बोलते हैं बुरा होता है. Trust me people, these are all myths. Random eye flickering is called myocamia in medical term. It is not harmful, but it is a signal which we definitely need to understand and act upon it. So why does it happen? It can happen due to more of caffeine intake. It can happen due to a lot of screen time, due to dehydration, low levels of magnesium, and so on. So how to fix it? We can fix it with reducing our caffeine intake, reducing our screen time, which is very bad for our eyes. We can hydrate ourselves and take a check of our mineral levels to know our magnesium levels. Our eye also needs a detox. We should understand and work upon it. Third point is our belly makes weird noises at times. कितने बार ऐसे होता है कि हम एक सीरियस मीटिंग में बैठे हैं एंड सडनली किसी के पेट में से आवाज आती है. इट इज सो एम्बेरसिंग. सो इज इट कॉमन, इज इट एबनॉर्मल, हाउ व्हाट इज इट? सो वी हैव सीन इट इन मेनी, हमने खुद ने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया हुआ था. तो ये क्यों होता है? हाउ व्हाई डज इट हैपन एग्जैक्टली? One of the major reasons is maybe we've had some heavy meal just before the meeting and the food is not digested properly. Maybe our gut bacteria is super active and working on it, or we are dehydrated. There are many reasons. So how do we fix it? First and common is hydrate yourself. Have meals at a shorter intervals ताकि वो बड़ा gap ना हो between two meals. Use gut friendly foods like fermented foods or fibrous foods which will help us to gut bacteria to work and not make such weird noises. So as I mentioned, our body whispers and we should understand and work on it. Fourth, sudden night time calf cramps. So कितने बार ऐसे होता है कि हम सो रहे एंड बीच में वी फील बहुत गंदा पेनफुल क्रैम्प आया है इन आवर काफ. सो ये क्यों होता है? व्हाई डज इट एग्जैक्टली हैपन? We've all experienced it, right? So this happens due to lack of vitamin. There is a deficiency of vitamin B12, potassium. All these minerals or vitamins are very important. अगर उसका deficiency है तो ये cramps आ सकते हैं. Maybe we've slept in some awkward position, उसके वजह से cramp आ गया है. And one of the most important reason is maybe we are dehydrated. So how do we fix it? First and foremost, check your vitamin and mineral levels, get yourself tested, hydrate yourself, and simple calf stretches before your sleep will help us to resolve it. We should just understand and work on these silent signals that our body is telling us. Fifth point, we sometimes have some acne and pimples on our face at the same spot every time. Have we wondered कि अरे एक ही जगह पे बार बार मुझे ये पिंपल कैसे आता है? एज इफ द पिंपल नोज कि इसी स्पॉट पे आना है. वो कैसे हो रहा है? Is it normal? I mean, have everybody experienced this? I have experienced it definitely. I've seen it in many of my patients as well. So why does it occur? What are the common areas generally जहाँ पे pimple आते हैं? Our jawline पे if there are any acne or pimples in our jawline, it is mainly due to hormonal imbalance or PCOD. Okay, अगर अपने cheeks पे pimples आ रहा है, it could be because of our pillow covers are not cleaned properly, or there is some infection seen there, or our phones which we keep here and there are not clean enough. Forehead पे अगर बार बार पिंपल आ रहे, it could be because of some gut issues or stress or simple dandruff that we have in our forehead. And maybe another common area is the nose area. This could be due to indigestion problems or BP related issues. So how do we fix it? Simple है, अगर cheeks पे बार बार पिंपल आ रहे, it is an indication that we should check our hormone levels once, and then if there is an hormonal imbalance, accordingly work on that so that ये pimples निकल जाए. अगर हमको स्ट्रेस रिलेटेड इश्यूज है एंड फोरहेड पे बार बार पिंपल्स आ रहे, सिंपल वे इज जस्ट वर्क ऑन योर स्लीप लेवल्स, रिकवर. We should also try and manage our stress with some activities which we enjoy doing, maybe simple listening to a music or relaxing or a yoga, whatever that gives you that feel good feeling. अगर cheeks पे बार बार पिंपल आ रहे, we know the basic reason is just clean the pillow covers that we sleep regularly on. And the nose area which I mentioned, if there are some digestive issues, we need to understand our gut, and as I mentioned, eat gut friendly fruits like fermented foods, fibrous foods, जिसके वजह से ये issue निकल सकता है. In fact, we should just understand कि skin जो ऊपर हमको signals दे रही है, internally भी affect हो रही है. We should just understand this signal. The sixth point, there is a constant bad breath even after brushing. How many people have noticed that कि हम regularly 2 बार brush कर रहे हैं, floss कर रहे हैं, फिर भी we see, we smell that bad breath. It is so embarrassing when we talk to somebody and we ourselves realize कि अरे we have a bad breath. So how does it exactly happen? Simple. If there is dehydration, if there is no enough water in our body, the bacteria starts growing in our mouth. Okay, that is one of the basic reasons. Second is, if our gut health is not good, again the good bacteria is not working, the bad bacteria is creating in our gut, and that is giving that bad breath on the regular intervals. So just understand what is the major reasons, focus on your body and work towards it. So how do we work towards it? Simple tips: drink a lot of water so that dehydration na ho, our body is constantly hydrated. सेकेंड इज इंट्रोड्यूस प्रोबायोटिक्स. प्रोबायोटिक्स सिंपल अपना दही, योगर्ट हम जिसको बोलते हैं, अगर वो भी एज अ प्रोबायोटिक हमने यूज किया तो गुड बैक्टीरिया ग्रो होगा, बैड बैक्टीरिया अपना अपना कम हो जाएगा इन द गट. यूज गट फ्रेंडली फूड विच आई हैव मेंशन्ड अर्लियर एज वेल. सो दीज आर द सिंपल थिंग्स विच which can help us, and we should just understand that actually it is the gut that is giving the bad breath, not our mouth. The seventh point, many a times we see there is a white coating on our tongue when we get up in the morning. So is it normal? सबको आता है ऐसे, या it is because कि मैंने रात को कुछ सफ़ेद खाया है, some food which is white, उसके वजह से आया है, या टूथपेस्ट की वजह से आया है? No, it is not because of all these things. The main reason for this is it could be some fungal growth on your tongue which we've not noticed it and which has gone unnoticed. It could be due to lots of sugary foods and processed foods which are easily available, and we pick up and we start munching on that. It is because of poor digestion. So how do we fix it? Simple tips. We add more of fibers to your diet. Fibers मतलब क्या कि जिसमें which is difficult to bite or which is difficult to something which is easily gulpable is bad for us, and which takes efforts to bite and chew, it is good for us. जैसे salads है, green leafy vegetables है, all these have high fiber content. So you can add more of fibers. You can check on your gut whether the digestion is proper or no. You can also hydrate yourself. We can check with our dentist whether there is a fungal growth or no. So these simple tips can definitely help us understand कि भाई ये signal से before it is too late, we work on it and prevent ourselves. These 7 signals are very small but very, very powerful. If we try and understand actually what our body is telling us, these small whispers, before it turns up into big screams, this is a time, work on it, understand it, and lead a healthy life. As I always say, prevention is the key. So if you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. And until then, this is Dr. Apurva Sawant helping you understand your body well.